Alright, so here we have a couple of questions on electrical circuits. So let's see how these look. So it's actually a parallel circuit, which is usually a bit more difficult. So figure 1 shows a circuit diagram containing two identical lamps arranged in parallel. The reading on the ammeter is 186 milliamps. So the first thing to note there, 186 milliamps, I'm going to change that unit to our regular, which is amps. Yeah, so divide it by 1000, current is 0.186 amps. So I'm just going to keep that there. That's in the ammeter. So I'll draw an arrow to that. It then asks us which statement about the current through the lamps is true. Tick one box. The current through both lamp P and Q is 0.093 amps. The current through the P and Q is 0.186. It's 0.93 or it's 1.86. Now for this we need to think about our circuit rules. Yeah, so once you remember these circuit rules, all these questions hopefully become a lot easier. Now for a parallel circuit, we have that potential difference stays the same and current is shared. So in this case, we have a total current of 0.186 amps from the ammeter, and that's going to be shared equally between P and Q because they're identical resistors, or in this case, lamps. So they'll be shared equally. So simply we do 0.186 divided by 2. So if I put that over here, divided by 2 equals 0.093 amps. So we know that's the current going through each. So our answer for the first question is the first answer, 0.093 amps each. Let's take a look at the second one then. So it says one of the lamps breaks and is not replaced. Which statement about the current in the other lamp is true? So it's the current through the lamp 0.093, 0.186, 0.93 or 1.86. Now equally again, the things that aren't true for both questions is that it can't be 0.93 or 1.86. Yeah, they're not going to be bigger than the current that's actually in the circuit. Yeah, so it's between either being 0.093 or 0.186. The lamp may have broken in one of the branches, but it doesn't mean that the current just stops flowing through it. There's still a branch there. If I draw an arrow, there's a branch here and a branch here. So current is still going to go between the two branches. It's just, and for that reason, between the two branches, it's still going to split equally. So therefore, the current through the lamp is still 0.093. So we tick the first box. So there we have it, a question on parallel circuits. Hopefully you found it useful.